How to trade cryptocurrency, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on cryptocurrency and how you can get started with trading as a complete beginner. So let's get started. First, what is trading in cryptocurrency and how you can get started? A lot of people hear about crypto and they realize that, oh, okay, you can make millions of dollars with crypto. It's really cool and we want to get into it. But when they actually try it, it's really confusing sometimes, and they could get confused that how we can trade with crypto, where to get started, what are the different platforms, and where to get the crypto wallet. Well, that's what I will cover today in this tutorial. So let's get into it. Today I will be using a platform known as KuCoin.com, which is a crypto platform, was the leading crypto platform and very easy to use. You can sign up really easily and get your account. That is why I chose KuCoin for you guys, so that you can actually sign up really easily as a complete beginner and have an account. So you can just sign up with your Google account or your email address and you will get right here. There are a lot of crypto platforms out there. There is Binance, there is Coinbase, there are a lot of different platforms out there, and you can choose them as well. There are videos on this channel already teaching you how to use a certain platform, but this video is going to be an overview, but this video is going to be for beginners so that you can actually get started. So first of all, just go to KuCoin.com and you have to create your account, and this is where you will get. Now we have an account on a crypto platform. That's it. You don't need anything. You don't need any investment. You just create an account. Then when it comes to crypto trading, how will we buy the coins? We need a crypto wallet as well, so that we can connect it to our KuCoin, and that is where we actually add our assets, and that is where you will be actually trading and swapping your coins and tokens. So for that, I will take you to MetaMask. You just have to go to Google and search for metamask.io. Now I'll tell you how to get a MetaMask and use it, but before that, there is a disclaimer. Trading in cryptocurrency involves a high degree of risk, and whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure first you truly understand cryptocurrency and understand its risk. So because there is a lot of involving of losing money, and there is a lot to do with risk and luck. So first understand how the cryptocurrency actually works, and then you can get started. This is going to be a beginner's tutorial to help you with the platforms so that you can get started when you have the knowledge. That being said, let's continue. So on metamask.io, what you have to do is you'll just go to download for Chrome. If you have Chrome, it actually comes as a Chrome extension. So you just need to go to metamask.io, so just click on it. It will open up the Chrome web store for you. And here we have MetaMask, which is a crypto wallet that we can get for free. So you just need to click on add to Chrome. I already have it. That is why it says remove. So you're just going to click on add, and it will be added to your Chrome, and then you will just set up a password, any password you want. It should be secure, and you will get your own MetaMask wallet. You have your own crypto wallet and you can get it for free. It's really easy to get. So you can just, get a wallet with email address. And here we have our MetaMask. And you can see that this is a crypto wallet that also plays an important role when it comes to dealing in crypto, because this is where we can actually save our money. We can actually trade and swap our tokens and deposit funds and withdraw funds from a certain platform. Now it depends on what network you have. There are a lot of different coins when it comes to cryptocurrency. There are different assets, then there are different liquidities that we can go for. But today we will be focusing on trading aspect of crypto. So now I'll just take you to KuCoin and take you to trading. When it comes to trading, we have spot trading, margin trading, trading bots are available, and convert. So these are the options available on KuCoin. We have spot trading. What is spot trading? Well, spot trading means, you might have heard about spot trading already, right? Where we earn our profits as well, and we can actually do that with crypto as well. So it's going to be a little different than your trading you do, and not that different as well. So this is a trading view of KuCoin, and this is actually the trading view of most of the platforms. It's going to be very similar. I have used a lot of crypto platforms and I have seen their trading window and it's same. So if you understand this one, you will be able to use any platform out there. So we have KuCoin, and first of all, what we do is we select our assets. Now you need to select what pair you want to go for or what coin you want to go for. There are a lot of different coins out there. So the one I have chosen right now, the pair is Bitcoin and USDT. There are other pairs as well. We have Ethereum and BTC, we have BNB and BTC, we have VRA and BTC, DeFi and BTC, then we have second BTC. Then you can also select the markets. So in markets, we have BTC USD, then we have NFTs market, we have fiat market, DeFi, and then Metaverse as well. So you can select the pair and the coins from a certain market. I am going with BTC and I'm going with the pair with BTC because we know that Bitcoin is actually one of the very famous coins. And whenever somebody hears about Bitcoin, that's what they think cryptocurrency is. Like there's just one Bitcoin, but that's not true. There are a lot of coins out there, a lot of different assets. Then we can pair them up, we can do a lot. So you can see I have selected BTC and USDT. This is my pair. Then we have a price right here. Now the price is going to be at the time of making this video. Keep that in mind, and it may vary when you are checking out the platform. Then we have 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 24-hour amount, and 24-hour volume. Now this is called a trading window. And here I will be able to see all of the different, prices and all of the different changes happening in this pair in a graph form. We can select the time here, and it is actually an 8-hour graph, but I'm gonna go with a day graph so that I can see how it went throughout the day. Now this is a 24-hour view. So you can see it was pretty high, but then it kind of like went low, and now like this is actually the graph went really down right here in between. So this is what things we notice when we actually do both trading as well, like the highest value and then the lowest value, and we know that where to actually sell and where to buy. That is how we know using the trading window. When it comes to the trading window, we have all of these different tools as well if you need them. We have a fork, we have text, all of the different cursors and scales available to help you with your trading window, and you can expand it as well to get a better view. So, but for now, I'm not gonna, expand it because I need to show you this as well. So right here we have the order book. Now this is the order book that we see. And this is the recent trades in depth market. So you can see like these are the recent trades and price of USDT right here and the amount of BTC. So you'll get all the information right here within an order book. Now this is where we actually do the trading. We have selected the spot trading, and then we can select limit, market, or spot limit. So I'm gonna go with limit, and I'm gonna enter the price I want to go for USDT. So let's say I have 100 USDT. And then for BTC, I'm gonna go for 1 or maybe 0.5. Then we're gonna select the percentage, and then we will set our own trading password. When we will enter that password, we will be able to simply trade. Then we have futures as well. There is another trading which is known as futures trading. The look is going to be the same. We will get a trading window again. We will have the order book, but the changes will happen here. And for futures, it is different. The risks are different. The parameters are different. And you will be able to simply enter your amount here. And you can select different parameters, enter your amount, select the percentage and everything. Then we also have different perpetuals and margin trading too. So you can now get started with cryptocurrency trading. And this is how we trade on cryptocurrency. I wanted to give you a beginner's tutorial, and I hope that I was a big help to you guys. And now you know how to trade cryptocurrency as a beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.